Hello friends, this video is created by Siddharth Upadhyay, founder and creator of PrepWings. Log on to www.prepwings.com for complete free course videos. Okay, so in this video we'll talk about ratio. Ratio gives a quantitative relationship between two values, showing the number of times one value contains the other value. Basically, ratio is nothing but a fraction. So over here, we see conversion of ratio to fraction. A ratio of 2:3 is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Similarly, a ratio of 5:7 is equal to 5 upon 7. Okay, guys. So if A is to B is equal to 2:3, then A upon B is equal to 2 upon 3. Okay. Now we'll do a question over here. The question says that if A is to B is equal to 2:3, then we have to find the value of A when B is 18. Okay. Now what we know that A is to B is equal to 2:3. That means A upon B is equal to 2 upon 3. So we plug in the value B equal to 18 over here, and what we get is A upon 18 is equal to 2 upon 3. Solving this gives us A equal to 12. Okay. Now we'll do another question. It says if A is to B is equal to 3:4 and B is to C is equal to 5:3, we have to find A is to C. Okay, so we know A is to B and we know B is to C. What we need to know is A is to C. So A is to B is equal to 3:4. That would mean A upon B equal to 3 upon 4. And similarly, B upon C will be equal to 5 upon 3. Now A is to C is equal to A upon C. Okay, so A upon C can be written as A upon B into B upon C, because B and B will cancel out then. Okay, and we know the value of A upon B is 3 by 4 and B upon C is 5 by 3. So we'll put those values over here. So what we get is A upon C is equal to 3 upon 4 into 5 upon 3. Okay, which is equal to 5 upon 4. So A upon C is equal to 5 upon 4. Thus A is to C equal to 5:4. Okay, now we'll do one final question on ratios. The question says that a sum of $300 is divided among Adam, Bob and Charles in the ratio 3:5:2. We have to find the amount that each one gets. Okay, so now here Adam, Bob and Charles gets the amount in the ratio 3:5:2. So now let Adam gets $3, Bob gets $5 and Charles gets $2. Now the total sum of all three, which is 3Z, 5Z and 2Z, is equal to 10Z. So in all of them gets $10Z. Okay, so 10Z is equal to $300 because in all $300 were divided among these three. Okay, so that gives us Z is equal to 30. Now Adam is getting $3Z, which is 3 into 30, which is equal to $90. Bob is getting $5Z, which is 5 into 30, which is equal to $150. And Charles is getting $2Z, which is 2 into 30, which is equal to $60. Okay, thus Adam gets $90, Bob gets $150 and Charles gets $60. Okay guys, so this is all about ratio. Thanks a lot for watching this video.